Okay, hey guys, here at Kitchen Bravo, we're gonna get a little bit crazy and a little bit weird. We're gonna make a grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, I know it sounds a little unorthodox, and it kind of is, but trust me, it's really delicious. We're gonna start with some slices of homemade bread right here. I've got some butter, peanut butter, jelly, and an egg batter. Well, you're gonna get to that here in a second. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put some butter in my pan, just like this. Get it really, really nice and melty. And I'm gonna take 2 slices of bread, put peanut butter on one and jelly on the other, just like you would make a normal peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So for this one, it's gonna be very, very simple, pretty straightforward too. But there aren't very many people that I know of that have actually ever had a grilled peanut butter and jelly. I mean, even my friends are like, what the heck are you talking about? Well, as soon as I make it for them, their tones change, and next thing you know, their kids are actually demanding it for breakfast or after school snacks. So this is a really nice, fun way to kind of liven up peanut butter and jelly. So I take my peanut butter and jelly, kind of smash it together, and I put it down one side in the butter, and then I flip the other side in the other part of the butter. Now I want to get the bread really super buttery and toasty, and I'm going to have my heat up, and I'm just going to go ahead and cook this until both sides are browned and toasty. So there we go. And it's very simple, like I said, very simple, very straightforward. And we're gonna kick it up here in just a second. So we got grilled peanut butter and jelly 2 ways. Now the great thing is, this is homemade bread. I don't have very much left of it because it never lasts. But it's very simple, it's a very simple recipe. If you have a little bit of patience and a little bit of time, then you can very easily and very quickly make bread at home, sandwich bread. And it's bread that your family's gonna love, and it's gonna save you money at the grocery store too, trust me, because for 1 loaf of bread, it only costs about 28 cents to make, which is not bad considering you're gonna spend upwards of anywhere from $2 to $7 on bread at the grocery. So anyway, here we have our grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And the peanut butter gets really super soft and really super gooey and melty, and it's really amazing. So we're done with the sandwich. For now, I'm gonna transfer it over to my plate and let that cool for a second. So, like I said, we're gonna kick up the grilled peanut butter and jelly. We're gonna add some banana into it. So peanut butter, jelly, banana, it's classic. First things first, we're gonna make another peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So, I have my peanut butter here, put more on the bread, and this is gonna get way more decadent and not nearly too fussy either. So it's not anything that you have to like really prepare for and think you have to tear up your kitchen. It's very simple. There's good peanut butter. Get a little jelly. Perfect. Got a little much jelly there, but that's okay. There we go. Okay, so I have my peanut butter and jelly. I'm going to take some sliced bananas and put it on top of the strawberry jelly, just like this. Okay, I take my peanut butter, close it up, and this is where it gets really interesting. I have in this container 2 eggs beaten with just a little bit of milk, and I simply dunk it just like this and let the bread soak up some of the egg mixture. In my skillet, I'm gonna melt some more butter. There. And now I take my sandwich out and let it cook up until it's nice and golden brown, and then I flip it and toast it till it's golden brown on the other side. So this could be considered like a stuffed French toast, but I like to call it a French stuffed peanut butter and jelly. Our grilled peanut butter and jelly is done with banana. So I'm gonna put this on a plate right here too. And we're gonna cut these bad boys open. Listen to the crunch, listen so carefully. That is the sound of perfectly toasted bread, and I know inside is gonna be gooey, peanut butter and jelly, just melty, so wonderful. Look at that, how shiny it is. It's gorgeous. All right, so now for the big guy, for the stuffed PB&J with banana. I'm gonna go in like that. Oh my gosh, it's so warm, it's so good. Look at that. Look at this. This is elevated childhood classic. That's exactly what this is. This is so good. I have to take a bite. That's amazing. Now, if you want to get a little decadent, sprinkle a little powdered sugar on it. And there you have it. Look at this. Grilled peanut butter and jelly 2 ways, one with banana, one without. This is childhood decadence on a grown-up level. Okay guys, for more recipes, for more inspiration, for more awesome tips, tricks, recipes like this, hit us up at Kitchen Bravo. Subscribe right now on our YouTube channel. Find us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, but especially here on YouTube for all of the recipes that you could possibly imagine and more. This is Keisha at Kitchen Bravo. Try it out, guys.